Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Peter. This is my 1995 R100 GSPD, and today we're going to be working on replacing the gear shift seal. The drain plug is located near the back end of the transmission and just above the catalytic converter. Just made a cardboard deflector so the oil would not pool on the catalytic converter, and that way it was funneled directly into my collector cup. And then I just taped it so the deflector wouldn't come off when the oil was draining. So this is the transmission drain plug. It's magnetic, so it'll capture any metal filings or particles there, so that's pretty handy. That might be a default with this model, possibly on yours as well. It's pretty clean. There is almost nothing there, so that's good. And the transmission oil that came out was pretty clear as well, so it looks like it had been done not that long ago. And the transmission oil is the same as the gear oil that we did in the final drive, and it's also the 8090. Undo the bolt, undo the clip. Pulling firmly on the selector rod will cause the ball and socket joint to come apart easily. And then the gear shift lever should slide out nice and easy. To pull out the seal, I don't have a proper seal puller, so I just used an Allen key in a handle, and that came out just fine. And out comes the seal. I'm going to put in the new oil seal, which I picked up from Shale's BMW out in Langley. I'm going to use a Q-tip just to clean out any residue or debris. I'm going to use a Q-tip with some gear oil on it and place it on the outside and inside of the seal just to make installation easier. I'll use the back end of an 18mm socket to firmly push the seal into place. Placing the selector rod back in at approximately the same angle as when you removed it, this notch at the end of the selector rod will fit nicely and seat and find its position. Snugging the gear shift lever bolt good and tight. Aligning the ball and socket and pressing together firmly for a nice satisfying click. Replacing the clip. Push all the way up until you find the groove. A little hard to see, but there it is. The drain plug is torqued to between 17 and 19 foot-pounds, so I torqued it to 18. Undoing the filler cap to place enough gear oil. I use 80-90 weight, and what we're after is getting the oil just to the threads. And that'll be approximately 850 milliliters. The Clymer manual says capacity 800 cc or 1.7 pints. The filler plug will be torqued between 21 and 23 foot-pounds, so I'll do 22. If you have any comments or something to add, please leave that in the comments below. And next time I have a little repair on this bike, I'll let you know. Thanks again. Bye-bye, and ride safe.